Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Amana dishwasher not draining in 2026. So when your dishwasher leaves standing water at the bottom, it is usually caused by simple blockage in the filtration or drainage system that you can easily fix yourself. So first of all, you need to open your kitchen cabinet and locate the power source for your dishwasher. Unplug the unit from the wall outlet, or you can also flip the circuit breaker in your electrical panel to off position to ensure that you can work on the machine safely. After that, you just have to open your dishwasher's door and remove the bottom rack in order to access the floor of the unit. Then you just have to simply locate the cylindrical filter at the bottom, rotate it counterclockwise and lift it out. Then rinse this particular filter under warm water in order to remove any food particles, grease or debris that may be blocking the water flow. After performing this step, you just have to simply inspect the drain pump area located underneath the filter assembly. You can check for any hard objects like glass shards, fruit pits, or plastic ties that might be jamming the pump impeller. You can also use a smaller sponge or a wet dry vacuum to remove any standing water so that you can see the bottom clearly. So after cleaning everything, you can just simply perform a restart in which you just have to unplug your dishwasher and then wait for 5 minutes, then plug it back in and restart it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.